I think set it. Okay. Hello, I'm Fatma Ehtaram and I've been working in education sector, working in different roles like mentoring, leading, teaching. I am passionate about wellness and fitness. For me, this is not just a routine. For me, it's everything. I think before my fitness journey started, I was always tired, very sluggish, meetings, deadlines, family responsibilities. So I was running on autopilot. But I never realized at that time that my mental clarity, my confidence, and my energy level, they're going down. I was also facing some medical issues like I had lumbar pain, I had osteoporosis. So I was not giving time to myself. I was not taking care of myself. So मैंने ये रियलाइज़ ही नहीं किया कि इस सारी मसरूफियत में मैंने अपने आप को मैं भूल गई हूँ. I think it was after COVID days when I realized that the importance of investing in health and wellness. So because मैंने बहुत weight gain कर लिया, I was in depression actually. I was even having anxiety attacks. And मैंने ये सोचा कि I'm in my 40s and I really need to build my muscle to have better bone density. So I came across AimFit. I really saw some really nice, catchy ads and videos and very nice reels. It is an exclusive all-women studio. So that was the best part, and a space where all the girls and the women, they could get together and exercise. And it really helped me with my osteoporosis and with my back pain issue. So I think that was the best decision that I took so far in my life. My experience at AimFit has been amazing. I started off my AimFit journey with yoga, and after some time I switched to strength training. So for me, AimFit की जो एक सबसे अच्छी बात है वो ये है कि I could challenge myself without fear of being judged. Nobody judges you here. आप यहाँ आएं, आप exercise करें. The vibe of AimFit is so amazing. You look forward to coming here to the studio, exercising, meeting such strong, amazing women. The instructors are so good. They're so friendly. So I think मुझे ये नहीं feel होता था कि मैंने exercise करनी है. I have to do exercise. Rather, I look forward to it. कि मैंने जाना और exercise करना है. And the acknowledgement and the appreciation that I get, I think that is something which has really filled me up. And it's a very safe space, I must say. So yeah, amazing. There are so many milestones, so many moments that I remember. Since my health was becoming better, I could travel. I could do trekking. I went for zip line. So I could have long journeys as well. So it helped me fulfill my traveling dream as well. एक बहुत interesting moment I would like to share when we went on wellness retreat to Bali, and we stayed at this amazing wellness resort. That was amazing because we did yoga over there, and then we visited a lot of interesting, amazing places. So yeah. Well, for me, balance is not about perfection. It is about being intentional. So I try to protect my time to make a proper schedule. So when I'm at my workplace, I give my full over there. When I'm with my family, I am with my family with full energy. And similarly, when I'm at AimFit, I focus completely on my workouts. So this is how I've found balance between work life, personal life, and my health. So one advice that I would like to give is that start small, but start. You don't have to overhaul your entire life. You don't have to change all the schedules. I think it's just about taking out 20 minutes from your busy schedule, going out for a short walk or attending a 40-minute class. So it's just about thinking that you have to prioritize your health. Your body is not a burden, it's a gift. So do something about it, work on your body, mind, and soul. And you cannot pour from an empty cup. So please take out time to refill yourself guilt free.